Hey, what's going on everybody? Today is Thursday, September 3rd. Today I'm going to be talking about how to pay your EIDL loan back or make payments on it. Whatever it is you want to do. As you know, the EIDL has deferred payments for a year. However, in that time, you're still accruing interest. So, it might be a good idea to start paying it back sooner than later. And I think, personally, I think it's worth paying back sooner than 30 years. The term of the loan. So if you just got the EIDL loan, you might not know what to do, or might not know how to pay it back or what to look for. But I'm going to walk you through the process right now, because one of my clients just received a statement from the SBA about their EIDL loan, and it's got instructions on it on how to pay and everything. So let's walk through that right now. Okay, so here you can see the statement from the SBA. I've redacted the loan number and the company name and everything, but the statement's dated August 27th. The installment amount is $731. That means that this person or this business has a principal balance of $150,000. All right. So we scroll down a little bit. It says here, this is a reminder that beginning June 15th, 2021, a payment of $731 will be due on your SBA disaster loan. Okay. And down here, your loan is in deferment status. No payment amount is currently due. However, interest is accruing on the amount you have received. You may voluntarily make payments, which will reduce the amount of interest that will accrue before your payments are scheduled to begin. Use the attached coupon and return envelope to make a voluntary payment. If you have any questions, please call this number. So you can use this voucher to make any payments, or you can actually go online and make it there, which is probably the preferred way to do it. So here in this little box here, it says to make your payment online, you go to this website, www.pay.gov. So let's go check that out. So here we are at pay.gov. It says to look for the 1201 borrower payments. So let's pay it right here. Okay. So right here, important thing to note, EIDL loans have a 10-digit loan number. EIDL loans were initiated by completing an application through the SBA website. The loan is between the borrower and the SBA only. And another thing I want to point out is that the loan number is different from the application number that you received when you first applied for the loan. So the loan number would be on this statement right here. And if you haven't received a statement yet, it will be on the final documents that you signed when you first signed for the loan, the contract that you signed. Your loan number should be on there as well. So in order to get that, you just want to access the portal that the SBA sent you using your username and login. And you can view the documents at the bottom there in the portal. All right. So let's go to continue to the form. Here we do the borrower name. Let's make it this. Okay, SBA loan number. Let's also make up an account number. And the payment amount, let's say $731 is the payment amount. All right, so let's hit continue. It's going to ask, you enter this much, is this okay? Click OK. And here you're going to want to pick one of these options. Bank account might be the option with the least amount of fees. So I'm just going to choose bank account. All right, payment date, I'm just going to choose the earliest payment date. Make sure this account holder name matches what's on your actual checking account or savings account. All right, that's a Wells Fargo routing number, and then let's make up an account there. So when you enter your routing account number, double check that, make sure it's correct so it goes through properly. And then last thing you're gonna do is hit review and submit payment. Here it's gonna go to this, it's gonna confirm your email address if you want to CC this confirmation to anybody. And right here is an authorization and disclosure statement. basically saying, hey, you authorized us to take this payment from your checking account. If you agree, you hit submit payment right here, and your payment will go through, and you'll go to the next screen, which is a confirmation screen. Okay, and you'll get an email with the confirmation as well. So this is one way that you will be, making payments on it or paying it back or what have you. I definitely recommend you paying it back sooner than later, because you just don't want to be under that chokehold of the SBA for far too long. I know the loan term is 30 years. They can request financial statements or what have you. In the meantime, they can check on your distributions, they can check on your assets, whatever it is they have to do, they can do that in the meantime. So that's why I recommend paying it back sooner than later. Some people have asked me if you can just give the money back. And if you want to, this is how you do it. But I would double check with the SBA first to see what your payoff amount is, okay? Because your payoff amount, because since you've been accruing interest, even though you haven't been making payments, you've been accruing interest. So you want to figure out how much interest you've accrued on top of your principal to make your payoff. So that's something to contact the SBA for, is your payoff amount. Another thing to keep in mind is that the EIDL loan won't affect your PPP at all. However, the EIDL grant, if you did receive one, will affect the amount of forgiveness of your PPP. So that's just something to keep in mind. Like, I don't think they're gonna make you pay the grants back, but they're gonna make you pay the PPP back, a portion of it, if you receive the grant. People also ask me if I think the EIDL loan will be forgivable. And at this point, I have no reason to believe that it will be, okay? I think there's been rumors, there's been talks, but there's no bills that have been introduced, nothing like that. So there's no solid evidence or solid reasoning for me to believe that the EIDL loan will be forgivable. Be sure to watch my other videos to see how you can spend the EIDL loan, how you can use it. I have some great content on that. And also reach out in the comments below if you have any questions about anything. I'll do my best to answer them. And if you're new here, I'd appreciate it if you subscribe to my channel. We're trying to keep everybody up to date with all things pandemic related, trying to give you guys tax advice, business compliance advice, business strategy, that kind of thing. And we got some dumb videos sometimes. So subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. And if you are a subscriber already, thanks for coming back and joining us today. Also be sure to smash that like button if you like this video, and share this video with your friends and anybody who you think might benefit from the information from this. All right, so that's all I got. Take care for now and stay safe.